Hello guys, welcome back. Today we'll be looking at Trust Wallet. We'll be looking at how to use Trust Wallet. Okay? But before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, do wait to subscribe, like my videos, and also share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. So before we go into that fully, all you just need to do is to make a Trust Wallet exchange readily available. If you make this Trust Wallet app readily available, then you're going to come to this place of something of this nature. Okay? Beneath here, this is the home. In this place, you find the trending coin. In this place, you find the stakings and the orders. Okay? So for some of us who does not know how to use the Trust Wallet, this video is highly important for you. Coming to this place is the sending. And you know the sending, as the name implies, is what you use to send your cryptocurrency coin from this exchange to another. In this place called receive. In this receive, this is where you get your wallet address and take it to another exchange to receive coin. This receive is used for incoming, and this send is used for outgoing. Okay, this send is used for outgoing, and this receive is used for what? For incoming. Okay, looking at here, you can also buy directly with your card and any other options that may be available. Using this one, you can also sell, and this very history shows you the history of the previous transactions. Here is for copy, here is for scanning, and here is for what? Is for notifications. Okay, this place shows the crypto. You can see as XRP and USDT is available here. Okay, so let's start by looking at the send. In this send, this is where you come to copy your wallet address, okay, and take it to another exchange in order for you to receive and this is where you can come to send a particular crypto of your choice. Okay, and this receive is where you can come to copy your wallet address and take it to another exchange in order for you to receive cryptocurrency coin in USDT or in any other coin of your choice. Okay, as you can see here, there is a SOL. You can just come to this place, click on it to get the wallet address. Okay, you can click on this is where you click to get the wallet address, or you can at least click on it to open it in order for you to copy your wallet address. SOL, same thing. Any other one you see here that you wish to make use of it, you come to this very place to click on these little two boxes and copy your wallet address. And in case you want to still open it before copying, you can just click on it. If you click on it, it will bring you to an interface of this very nature. Then you can use this to copy, okay, and receive your fund from any other exchange of your choice. Okay, so that's for that. And this buy you can use the buy option to buy cryptocurrency coin of your choice. Okay, you can click on it to come to these very places. Maybe the minimum you can buy here, I think, is 150. Then maybe you buy in the 150, or you can choose to less it if it will work. Okay, it's working. So having done this, you can just come to this place, because it is showing you that it's accepting credit card or with transfer. Okay, then you click on buy in order for you to be able to buy cryptocurrency coin of your choice from this very place. You can also click at the BTC. You use the same thing. Okay, so as you are seeing this, you also be seeing the equivalent of the money you were asked to invest. You can see equivalent of 150 USD is equal to 0.001925 BTC. You can see it's very simple. So that is for that. So if you find value from this, do not forget, like our videos and as well share the videos. Okay, and if you are new to this very channel and you are like yet to subscribe to this amazing channel, please do it to subscribe, like our videos, and also share our videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this. So same thing as sell, you can come to this place to make your available XRP to another person who is willing to pay you in returns. Okay, so the only reason you're seeing this zero here is because the XRP balance is zero. Okay, so that's for that. You can take a look at the Doge as well, and many more of them. Okay, there are lots of those coins available for you to sell here. So the next thing we need to look at is the what is the history. As I told you earlier, this history shows your transactions, your previous transactions. You can see here, it shows what transactions will appear here. Cannot find your transaction, check Explorer. You can see, because we have not done any transaction here, which is why this very one is not showing. Okay, so that is for this. So coming to down here where we can see, you can see all the trending coins here. This is where you find all the trending coins. Okay, click on this place, this is where you find all the trending coins. Okay, so the IMG here, the Ghibli, Butco, Lewis, Puis, Fatco, and lot more of them here are what are trending coins. You can just follow them up little by little, and you see what exactly you need to buy from this. Okay, so let's take a look at this venue that is already taking some few directions. Okay, so you can see in the next in the past one day, this coin has been like doing well, and if you choose to invest on it, it will as well pays you. Okay, so coming down here, you can see it market caps, is circulation supply, total supply, and many more of it. Okay, so that shows you the trending coins, right? As we said, it shows you the trending coin. You can make use of this opportunity in order for you to what to buy a lot of coins for yourself. So this one, let's take a look at this. Okay, in this place is a place you get a tutorial about a particular coins. Okay, so about TUT, my OG tutorial tokens was a testnet. So you look at this very place, these are tutorial tokens. You can see this TUT tokens is known as tutorial. Okay, you can take a look at it as well, see how those things works, and make sure you follow it up in order for you to understand how this one works fully. And in this place, you can also swap those coins. You can also swap, understand, can also swap those coins, and swap it to any coin of your choice. Maybe you click on the swap, and you will click on understand the risk and the whatever, then you can just proceed to swap this particular coin to another. If you want to change this ETH to up and also unit to down, you see, it's just what you just need to do. Okay, so that is it for that one. So the next one is what? The next one is the launch pool. This launch pool also give you like the opportunity to stake coin on Trust Wallet. You understand? It give you the opportunity to stake coin on the Trust Wallet, and also stand a chance to earn a lot for yourself. Okay, you say you should end Woody with a TWT more info. Word of Dynapian is a mobile and BNB chain seamless blending web 2. Okay, so you can just look at it carefully and see what exactly you can do here for you to earn something. Going to the native staking as well, you can just click on the native stakings and also check for a particular coin that you can stake. Okay, a particular coin that you can stake and see how much you'll be able to earn in return. If you are asked to trade to take to like stake trust nodes, okay, this trust node is a trust wallet based coin which promise you of 3.26% APR and a lot more of it. Earning starts one day after staking. Staked funds are accessible 4 days after unstaking. You see, rewards are also calculated and credited after unstake. You can unstake anytime. Normal network fee applies. ETH pool and whatever. So you can see I'll drop a separate video about stakings on launch pool, okay, so that we can truly understand how those ones works, and how you'll be able to start staking and start earning a lot for yourself. Like look at this long is one of those most important coins that you can come to over to this place to stake and make your money from it. Okay, so the last one here, it shows what? It shows discovery. In this place, you can come to listing or to check for latest news on Trust Wallet and a lot more of them. It says to join iTech airdrop. You can see this one is an airdrop. You can join it and see what exactly they are doing over there. Then you can join to make a lot for yourself. What should be built next? Okay, help shape the future of Trust Wallet. 200 million downloads. That's 200 of you. That 200 million of you taking control. Okay, you can come to this place to like make your research. You see a lot of discoveries here, and a lot of more opportunities for you to take a look at. Now you can see like this very one is already catching fire. So all you just need to do is to come over to this place and make some discoveries for yourself, confirm it, and start moving forward. Okay. So all this place will shows you to where you can like go to get what is it called, where you can get a drop for free. Now it's already navigating us to the x.com in order for you to what to just follow them up and follow a lot of activities that will be showing up here in the nearest feature. Okay, so this like brings me to the end of this very amazing class. If you do have any question, do not forget, drop it at the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP. My membership is also open. You can join it. Let's see how things get to work out over here with all of us. Okay, so in my next class, I'll be dropping a lot of videos that has to do with stakings on this trust wallet. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me from the beginning to the end. I will see you in my next class. Bye.